Welcome to Maroon Talk, the only segment dedicated for anything and everything UP Fighting Maroons. I am Fimran, batch 2010 from UP Los Baños.
Enzo Regondola, batch 2010, UP Diliman.
Hello.
Musta kayo? Musta ka?
Hello sa inyong lahat. Kumusta kayo? It's been 2
2
days
days.
since ang mga kaganapan.
Marami na tayong nakasagutan sa Twitter. Marami tayong nakaaway.
Isipin mo yun pa rin talaga no? Yung mga ibang school sumasaw-saw pa rin. Sa atin,
yung mga talo tayo. Wala sila sa finals. Wala sila sa Final Four.
Pero dahil pa rin nilang ebas.
Dami nila ebas. Dami nila hanash.
Tapos, tayo pa rin pinapansin nila.
Kaya nga
anyway, madami tayong pwedeng pag-usapan. But, actually, talking about the game, it won't really make any sense to talk about what happened in the game. Aside from, yun nga, in the end lang naman talaga, minaisip na akong term dito pero nakalimutan ko. But basically, we got shut down late in the game and that cost us the season. Yun lang yun.
Ang ano ko dun, yung fact na wala tayong tres the whole game. Tapos naka 3 points si CJ. After niya mga 3 points, ang napansin ko, parang naging gigil tayong makakuha pa ng more 3-pointers. Hindi ko alam kung napansin mo yun. Hindi ko alam kung napansin nyo, guys. Pero yung napansin ko, parang noon tayo nag-settle for outside shots. Kahit alam na nating hindi pumapasok. Gusto lang nating, parang, gusto ba nila ng more 3-pointers sa stat sheet? Kahit hindi naman talaga kailangan. At that point. Kasi lamang pa tayo nun di ba? Hindi pa naman tayo naghahabol nung time na yun Pero dahil nga ganun yung ginagawa natin, nakahabol yung Lasal, hindi tayo nakashoot. Nag-struggle tayo. So yun. Nakaka-dismaya. Parang, kasi di ba sabi ko sa'yo after nung game, tayo na ours to lose yung game na yun. Talagang sa atin na yun Sa atin na tapos wala, we let it slip away talaga.
Totoo. I mean, no one can deny that fact. Napansin ko lang yung pilit ng 3 points nung 70-67 yung score. Kasi tagal din na ganun yung score. I think around 3-4 minutes remaining in the game. Mula nung point na yun, puro 3 points yung attempt natin. So, first of all, hindi ko maintindihan kung bakit. Buti na nga lang, we were, in a way, making stops during that stretch. But, natatapon din natin yung bola after making stops or make shots.
Ang daming, parang unforced errors yung mga nakomit natin nung stretch na yun. Yun nga, bad passes, bad decisions talaga. Tapos may mga easy shots na hindi pumapasok. Yung isang naalala mo yun, yung fast break ni si Malik ba yun?
Oh.
Walang bantay nun Tapos na-miss niya yung layup. Na parang yun yung pinaka nagsisimbolize ng fourth quarter natin. Ganun siya kamalas, kaalat na open layup ni Malik. Someone who is super automatic from inside. Hindi natin na-convert. Yun.
Yeah. Yun. Totoo. And wala tayo ibang pwedeng sisihin kundi tayo lang din naman. We cost the game. I mean, we had the lead heading into the fourth. but we lost it pretty much. And KQ happened. So, wala naman tayong, kumaga, like I said, Lasal deserves that win because, uh, in summary, if we're gonna break it down wholly, parang they really wanted it more. Really wanted it more. I'm sure our Maroons wanted it as well, but mukhang Lasal wanted it more talaga. And it showed, and it gave them the win. Yun lang din naman talaga halos yung pwede natin pag-usapan sa ganito. Kasi doon lang naman talaga yung ano eh.
Yung turning point
quarter lang. Oo eh. Before that, wala. Talagang anybody's ball game.
Ngayon, ano ko na naisip, nakakatawang isipin na, naalala mo nung season 84, yung second game natin against Lasal, lamang sila ng 14 points nung fourth quarter. Tapos, naging Carl Tamayo take over. Tapos ngayon, lamang tayo nung heading into the fourth. Tapos naging Kevin Kiambao take over naman. Wala, ang ganda lang isipin na parang sila yung, ano sila di ba? Teammates sila nung high school, tapos they led their teams to championships now. Tapos, magbabakasyon pa daw si Kiambao sa Japan. Babakasyon. Sabi, di ba? Sabi. So,
diba, no? Yun yung, sila yung go-to people nung last year nilang high school, at least no 82. And they were in different teams now. They went to different teams and they shown both on their own. So, let's see. Again, congratulations. Baka sabi nyo, hindi namin nilaan yung Lasal. Congratulations to the LSU Green Archers. You guys deserve this win. This championship at that.
Respect. Maganda talaga yung laro ng Lasal. Defensively, na-stop talaga yung UP. At the most crucial stage ng game. Wala, hindi naka-score yung UP. And most of that, ma-attribute natin sa defense ng Lasal din naman. Hindi lang, may mistakes yung UP, yung players natin, pero they also missed their shots. Pero pwede mo rin sabihin na hindi, they got those shots. They had to settle for those shots kasi nga baka yung gusto nilang gawin, yung ini-intend talaga nilang play, nasa shutdown ng Lasal to begin with. So, ganun.
Yeah. Again, it was anybody's ball game. Heading into the fourth, it was ours to win already. Pero nawala. But, so, wala. That happens. That happens in life. That happens in basketball. And all we have to do right now is move on. Try to move on at least and support our players still. Ano ba? Dito na ba masisimula yung sisihan ng fans kung kanino man. But wala, it's a normal occurrence. So we can't win them all, ika nga. No? So, masakit. Wala man tayong ibang pwedeng sabihin doon kundi masakit, natalo tayo. And it happens. I've been on the receiving end as a player. Actually, I've never won it as a player, actually. So, I've been there. And wala, all you have to do is move on and improve and get back stronger the next time around. So, and all the more, dito makikita kung sino yung talagang sumusuporta sa team. Hindi na naman kapag mananalo lang ba tayo nandun para sa team natin? Dapat hindi. So, kumbaga, let's help our players, our boys, cheer them up and help them move on from this as well because they need us more than ever. So, yeah, actually, yun naman yung gusto ko sabihin after this game. Yung nabanggit ni Zoe, hindi ko lang ako napag-usapan natin to, pero parang di pa. Si Enzo, para sa kanya, mas masakit tong talo na to than season 85.
Oo.
Tama ba?
Oo. Kasi parang
Inga.
season 85, nung natalo tayo, parang pwede mo sabihin na, hindi, wala kasi tayong, hindi natin masolusyonan talaga si Kwame or si Padrigao. Parang every game, ano sila eh, talagang gumagawa sila, talagang, masabi mong they were the better team, kahit no matter how slightly better they are. Makikita mo, the better team talaga Ateneo nun. Yung ngayon, parang hindi ganun eh. Kasi hindi lang dahil lamang tayo nung heading to the fourth. Uh, game 1, sobrang tinambakan natin sila. Nung game 3, makikita mo sila yung parang yung Lasal yung nag-a-adjust sa UP the entire game. Parang tayo nagdi-dictate nung flow nung laro. Yung offense natin, it was going where we wanted it to go. Yung defense natin, ganun din. I mean, tingnan mo yung shooting ni Kiambao, 6 of 21 lang siya. Kahit na naka 24 point shot, 21 shot attempts, hindi yun efficient. Basinelli naka 12 points in 15 shots. Maganda yung defense natin. Na-contain natin kung sino dapat natin ma-contain. Yung offense natin, it was flowing. Until dumating yung fourth quarter na parang biglang, saan napunta yun lahat? Yun yung ano doon eh, parang saan napunta yung lamang natin sa kanila, saan napunta yung advantage natin offensively and defensively. Ba't biglang nawala yun? Kaya hindi ko matanggap na, ang hirap tanggapin ng pagkatalo kasi talagang sa atin na yun eh. Yung masabi kong, nandito na sa kamay natin, hawak mo na, tapos binitawan mo pa bigla. Ito yun. Ito yung game 3 na yun, sobrang ganun. Kaya,
Kumbaga,
ang sakit.
may naisip akong word to describe that. Sabihin na natin final 5 minutes of season 86. Yung lahat nung nangyayari na yun, yung mga turnover, decision making, it was uncharacteristic of our fighting model.
Oh.
The whole season, diba? The whole season, it was not like that. The mindset, the body language, ano ba? Yung flow at that, it was so uncharacteristic of our team that we saw nung last 5 minutes of that game. Kasi alam natin hindi ganun yun eh. Alam naman natin hindi magmimintis si Malik automatic from down there all alone. Alam naman natin hindi magta-turnover si Francis ng ganun uncontested down on the fast break. Yung turnover ni Harold one-on-one against Makalalag. Diba? Hindi yun yung kilala nating, kumbaga hindi sila yun. Hindi yun yung kilala nating players during that 5-minute run of Lasal. I mean, that fourth quarter run of KQ and Lasal. So, yun nga, we can't deny the fact that tayo lang yung tumalo sa sarili natin. Because of that, sa akin, personally, kaya ko siya mas tanggap compared to 85. Unlike Zoe. Kasi yung 85 kasi, sa akin, ang tingin ko pa rin talaga sa 85 is denial. Okay, yeah, we were able to compete. Ateneo was competing against us, ganyan. And they got the win. Yeah, they got the win. Pero sa akin kasi talagang ang laki nung factor ng referees nung 85. At least that game 3. Kaya hindi ko tanggal sa sarili ko yung pagkatalo na yun nung 85. Isipin niyo pa yung fact na pumasok na yung players sa Ateneo ng may oras pa sa clock and isang technical lang tinawag. So all the more, sa akin, mas hindi ko matanggap talaga 85 compared to this one. At least this one, sure lang ako kung sino yung may fault. Sure lang ako kung ano yung nangyari sa game. And like I said, tayo lang tumalo sa sarili natin. And because of that, so, as players, as the coaches, mas malaking fuel dapat yun heading into next season para makabawi sila lahat. Tayo lahat.
Oo naman. Pero yun nga eh. Yun nga eh. Exactly. Kaya tingin ko mas masakit to ngayon kasi tayo yung pumalo sa sarili natin. Kasi mistakes natin, di ba? Kasi control natin lahat eh. Tapos hindi natin na-control ng maayos, di ba? Kaya, yun. I mean, pareho silang masakit. Pero, ganun talaga eh. I mean, isa lang pwede mag-champion every season eh. Di ba?
Yes.
So,
yun talaga.
Yeah.
Kaya, ito yung isipin nyo rin. Tayo, alam mo natin recent lang success natin. Say, 81 onwards. Isipin niyo yung dinanas ng Lasal sa atin since 84. Now we're on the receiving end of it. And as UAP fans, ganito yung sakit na nadudulot kapag unsuccessful yung season. I mean, sure, you can only call a season successful kapag nagsabi yung team. So, albeit na contenders tayo for what? Almost 4 or 5 seasons already. And we only got one championship from all those seasons yet. So far. Ganito siya as UAP fan. Ganito yung feeling kapag natatalo yung team mo. Kasi UAP is what? Only takes, the season goes on for what? 2 months? Ngayon nga, parang 1 to 2 months na lang. Dati 2 to 3 months yan usually. So kapag hindi nangyari yung gusto mo, wala, you have to wait another year to try again. And wala ginagawa. That's okay. That's what happens. That's what it takes to become UAP fans. And all we can do is still support our team. Whatever happens. Yeah, we can blame who we think should be blamed. But will it matter? Wala, kasi tapos na yung season. Champion na yung Lasal, talo tayo. Bottom line. So, all we have to do now is accept it. I mean, all we can try to do is try to accept it and move on from this and look forward to the future and do it all over again.
Yep.
And that's what makes it fun.
Okay yung nangyayari ngayon sa UAAP kasi as some have already pointed out, the past 3 seasons, merong 3 different champions. Merong parity ngayon, I think, sa UAP na, I mean, 3 champions in 3 seasons. This season, merong 3 teams na may at least 10 wins. Which is medyo bihirang mangyari. Parang kasi alala ko nung nung 82, alam ko second seed tayo nun 9-5 ata tayo o 10-4.
Okay.
Basta number 2 tayo nun eh. Tapos ngayon number 3 10-4. Medyo bihira 'yon mangyari.
Tama. Oh, Lasal. Tama no, Lasal. Ay, hindi. Sino yung third?
No, 82?
Hindi, ito. Ano ba?
Yung ngayon?
Sorry.
Ngayon NU.
Oo.
And yung third.
Which, parang sila yung second the whole season, no? Tapos naging third sila in the end.
Oo.
So, oo nga.
Yeah. Maganda, I mean, exciting yung seasons ahead kung ganun yung takbo ng ng tournament,
Competition.
ng competition. Parang, yun, hindi mo masasabi kung sino yun nga, like we said, di ba? 6 yung in play for the Final Four up to the last game weekend. Last 2 games. Di ba? So, looking forward na mag-improve lahat ng teams. Kahit yung mga nasa baba. Kahit UST, FEU. Sana maging mas competitive yung season 87.
Mm-hmm.
Ewan ko kung ano gagawin nila.
Yeah.
Pero yun. Okay lang. Okay lang. Natalo tayo. Marami pa tayong players na babalik. Medyo intact pa yung team natin. Di ba? Di ba sobrang dami? I mean, yun yung bright side sa atin. Parang ang daming, halos yung buong team natin this year, nandun pa next year, assuming walang aalis sa kanila. So, chemistry issues, I don't think magiging issue yan next season. So, yun, okay din yung sakit na mararamdaman this year, collectively, magke-carry over yan to next season. And hopefully, yun yung maging nila, motivation, di ba? Na bumawi against everyone. Di ba?
And get that title back. No?
Yup.
So, yeah, again, ganun lang naman yun. Every season, we do our best to get the championship. Pero, hindi talaga nakasulat sa tadhana. Wala tayong gagawa. Nabanggit ni Enzo, so, having mentioned that, ang mawawala lang sa atin is Malik and CJ because of their playing years. Hindi natin alam kung mayroon pang ibang aalis because of some other reasons. So, as of today. Pero isipin natin yung mapapasok next year. Jared Bahay, Chris Fobilla, Denzel Walker, to name a few, and many more. So hindi ko alam. That's something to think about in the coming months, and siguro we'll see more kapag naka-load na tayo ng mga pre-season tournaments. Buti nga ngayon, as early as March, meron ng mga pre-season. So we'll see. We'll see what happens then. But for now, ano ba? Ano ba natin itong episode ito? Actually, hindi ko alam kung anong pwede i-discuss nito episode ito. But, again, yung UP community went out on that final game last Wednesday. Sobrang nakakatuwa. On a weekday, I'm sure, marami kayong kwento dyan, paano kayo nakapunta na kaneta from office or from school o saan man. Let us know down below ano naman yung kwento nyo. I'm sure meron tayo lahat sari-saring kwento on how to get on a freaking Wednesday with a game at 6 p.m.
ang ano ko lang,
Sabaw.
tip lang sa mga coming seasons, kung galing kayo sa Makati area, BGC, mag-MRT kayo. Kung Araneta yung game,
yan.
MRT talaga. Alam mo yung biyahe ko mula BGC, papuntang Cubao, 1 oras lang. Bumiyahe ako BGC to 1 Ayala, park ako doon. Tapos nag-MRT ako. 1 oras, nasa Cubao na ako. Nag-drive ako noon.
Hindi pa.
Kung nag-drive ako noon, baka inabot ako ng isa't kalahati, 2 oras. Tapos maghanap akong parking. So, isipin nyo yun, guys. For your consideration in the future, Again, kung Araneta yung game, sobrang convenient mag-MRT. Ang downside lang, maaga sila magsara. Southbound MRT. Parang mga 9:35. Ganon, yung last trip sa Cubao. Pang-aga. Pero at least, di ba?
City,
Hindi ka ba traffic?
City, City is 2 hours lang from QC. QC. QC to QC.
QC to QC 2 hours. Sipin nyo yun, di ba? Ayusin nyo nga yung public transport natin, gobyerno. Pangit eh.
Buti nga, actually, buti nga may parking sa One Ayala. So, laking bagay nun. Tapos kung galing ka north, I think pwede rin mag-Trinoma ka. Doon mag-park, no? Tapos mag-MRT.
Trinoma or... Basta marami naman malls doon eh. Magkakalapit. Lalakad ka lang, pero...
Pero, wait,
at least nandun ka na, di ba?
Lalakad naman ng konti in your life. Won't hurt.
Oo.
Would be beneficial at that. So, ang hirap pa rin. Ang hirap pag-usapan as at least from our point of view. If it were from another podcast or what, siguro mas kaya nilang i-break down lalo yung game. Pero tayo naman, we could also pinpoint the mistakes, yung mga tamang nangyari. Kaya lang, at least sa atin, wala nang point eh. Kasi tapos na. Tapos na yung season, tapos na yung... Wala tayong kailangan sabihin pa. Gets ba? Malino ba yung sabi ko? Alam ko, medyo confusing. But, it's all said and done. Again, ulit-ulit ito, all we can do now is move on from this. And look forward. Siguro, yung mga close natin, meron ding ibang hindi pa nakaka-move on. Siguro, part din naman tayo. But, going back to how we were a few seasons ago, look at how far we have come.
Mm-hmm.
As a community, as a team, as fans. Yan. Kasi, di ba, so, naging part pa tayo nung generation na walang crowd.
Oo naman.
Nanonood ng...
Oo naman.
Ngayon, grabe yung agawan sa ticket para lang makanood. Grabe yung I think nabanggit ko na to dati sa ibang episode, earlier episodes natin. Sabi nung first time ko manood ng UP, coming from watching Lasal, sabi ko parang, ba't gano'n? Parang yung cheers ng UP parang walang kwenta. Yun yung perspective ko. Apparently, kasi wala pang crowd nun. Kaya pala hindi effective.
Oo.
Pero ngayon, men, hearing it from a full strength UP crowd,
yes.
ang lupit pala natin mag-cheer.
Yes.
Ang lupit din natin ng cheer. Ng ibang team. Ng ibang school. Doon ako bilib. Grabe. Noong una, inisip ko medyo pathetic yung Sabi ko, ba't natin ginagawa to? Ba't natin hina-hijack yung cheer ng ibang school? Yun yung inisip ko Pero after that, now na-realize ko na, shit, ang galing pala natin kapag ginagawa natin yun.
Oo, kasi parang spontaneous.
Oh,
biglang pare-pareho mag-iisip yung UP crowd na okay, dito tayo mag-UP fight sa part na to ng cheer ng kabilang school. Paano nangyari yun, 'di ba? Ang galing yun yung part ng community natin na sobrang nakakabilib eh.
Diba? Ako, meron akong ibang UP cheer na hindi ko kabisado. Pero So I'm guessing yung ibang UP fans hindi alam yun. Pero kapag mag-hijack na ng cheer, puta, lahat sabay-sabay oh. Lahat, parang nag-usap bago nung game na
Oh,
ganito yung gagawin natin tone.
parang
Pero hindi, ang galing.
collective yung consciousness ng ng UP crowd na ito yung sasabihin natin at this time sa part na to ng cheer, sabay-sabay tayo papasok. 1, 2, 3, go. Tapos, boom,
So,
nangyari nga.
lahat talaga. Lahat talaga mag-cheer. Tapos, hindi lang matitigil doon. Dahil gagawin natin yun, titigil na mag-cheer yung kalaban. Kasi nga, parang nasa-shutdown sila. Kumbaga.
Oh, di ba?
So,
Talagang sixth man yung crowd. Talagang, kaya, alam mo, gusto ko makita. Gusto ko makita mag-finals, UP tsaka UST. Kasi alam ko UST maganda rin yung crowd na yun eh.
oo, no?
Gusto ko makita magtapat yung dalawang crowd na yun. Sa Araneta. Tapos palitan ng cheer. Yung exciting, di ba?
Puno ang
Oo.
ganung levels.
Yung 25,000 ulit ang crowd. Saya nun.
Takot yun, men. Oo. Ayan, yeah. Oh, the UP sixth man came to watch this season. So, ramdam na ramdam yung support. Kahit weekday, may mga nanonood pa rin. 9 a.m. game. May ba tayo 9 a.m. game this season?
11 naman, 11.
11, no, may 11. Pero wala naman. So yun, hopefully nga ulit, sana naman yung schedule ng UAP season next year, sana yung hindi na siksik. Ngayon, kumbaga ngayon pa lang, mag-reserve na sila ng, parang hindi tayo host next year, next season.
Oo nga eh.
So,
MOA, game? MOA finals.
Pwede ba yun? MOA lahat.
MOA lahat?
MOA lahat. Ito, sakto. Si friend nating si Luis Acuña, sakto na message sa akin. Bro, pasabi kay Zoe Lax sa Twitter. Ha, ha, ha. Hindi ko alam bakit siya nag-message ngayon.
Okay na.
Out of nowhere.
Okay na.
Masaya lang nakita.
Masaya lang mang-away ng trolls paminsan-minsan.
Fully.
Yung mga sagot ko diyan, parang natutunan ko lang naman yan kay James Karaan. So, yung mga tips niya, paano sumagot ng mga bashers. Kaya yung mga pinost ko sa IG na yung tama ka. Sa kanya ko lang nakuha yun eh. Effective. Kasi wala na silang sinabi after.
Kasi, oo nga eh. Nakapigin yung mga yung mga matatapang mag-tweet. Wala namang mukha. So, di ba? Kaya minsan talaga pag bobo yung sagot nila, masarap patulan. And think, yeah, kasi pag-usapan natin, total ito yung pinagano natin. I've been hearing friends saying na, ano ba? Mas na medyo marami ng toxic UP fans. And una kong reaction, hindi pala yung sabi niya. Sabi lang niya, toxic na UP fans. Parang gano'n. So, nung unang rinig, parang di naman. Parang gano'n yung unang reaction. Pero sa pag-isip-isip ko, parang totoo nga. Meron naman talagang toxic na UP fans.
Pero kasi, ano naman yun eh. I mean, tingin ko lahat naman ng schools meron eh. It's just that, alam mo, dumami na yung fans talaga ng UP. So, dumadami din sila. Di ba? Isipin mo kung 10% ng isang fan base ay toxic. Kung 10 lang yan, isa lang dyan yung toxic. Pero kung 1,000 na yan, magiging 100 na yung toxic dyan. So, dumadami rin sila. Pero, kumbaga parang same proportion lang yan. Ganun lang talaga. Lahat ng schools merong ganyan. Baka mas marami pa sa iba. Hindi ko alam. Pero, ganun lang yun. Normal lang yan.
Actually, That's the best way to put it. And siguro lang din, kaya nila sabi yun, kasi hindi sila sanay na may iba silang bagong kaaway. Alam mo yun?
Oo.
Usually, Lasal at Ateneo, sila lang usually ano dyan. Pero now, natuwa pa nga yung Lasal na ano yung Ateneo na nag-champion sila. So ano, dalawa na kayong ayaw sa UP ngayon?
Fake pala yung rivalry nyo eh. Wala na pala yan eh.
Alam ba magkakaway kayo?
Away kayo since di ba? Forever. Tapos ngayon, ganyan. Fake rivalry.
Ay na. Kalokohan. So, but then again, hindi rin naman natin lahat nag-agree doon sa gesture ng Ateneo na mag-green bullshit. So, alam mo yun, makikisaw-saw lang sila. Kasi wala sila sa finals. But yeah, alam mo yun, yung mga tito ng Lasal, yung mga tito natin kahit mga
Uy,
tito
na lang, less than a minute na lang yung Zoom natin.
Lipat tayo. Ay,
Sa'yo.
Lipatan. Dito kay Tish, pwede sige.
Sige. Send mo na lang yung
Okay.
Okay.
Yung mga tito-tita na paano ba sabihin? Na aggressive sa pag-cheer. Accept nyo na UP is here to stay and be competitive. Alam mo yan? Dati, akalan nyo kayo lang. Mostly Lasal at Ateneo nag-dominate league. Iba namin, iba na ang panahon ngayon. So, we're here. If you haven't felt us, that mammoth crowd should make our presence felt already for how many seasons. So, we're here to stay. We're here to beat you guys. And you have to realize that na hindi na lang kayo ang magaling dito sa UAAP. Okay.
Meron lang nung after nung game, pagbalik ko sa dito sa may malapit sa bahay, may bili akong dinner. So yung kasunod ko sa pila, nanood din ng game. Galing sila Araneta. Tapos, hindi kwentuhan muna kami. Kasi nakita niya naka-UP shirt ako eh. Tapos, nakamaroon din siya. Oo, nakamaroon din siya eh. Kasama niya yung father-in-law niya ata. Na hindi ko alam kung anong school yung chini-cheer kasi naka-light blue yung suot. Tapos, okay naman. Siyempre, medyo malungkot ako doon sa laro. So, parang isang tanong, isang sagot. Kasi, ayoko naman makipag-usap pa eh. Di ba? Tapos, biglang sabi nung matanda, alam mo, tingin ko dyan sa UP, kailangan gawin. Tingin ko kailangan magpalit ng coaching staff. Pocha, naisip ko, bobo ba to? Bakit ka magpapalit ng coaching staff? Ang galing-galing ng team na to. Nung narinig ko yun, parang lahat na ng sinasabi nila, hindi ko na naririnig. Kasi sobrang bobo nung sinabi niya yun. Nagbara siya dito sa tenga ko. Nagbara siya, tapos wala na akong narinig na iba. Parang yun yung equivalent ng yun yung equivalent ng, alam mo yung pag NBA Finals o laban ni Pacquiao, bigla nagiging expert sa basketball o sa boxing sa Facebook. Yun personified, nakita ko, na-witness ko.
Kumaba pa yung usap nyo?
Oo, kasi ang tagal order nila eh. Tagal dumating eh. So, stuck kami dun. Nakapila ako. Sinabi niya, huwag ka na nga mag-comment. Saan docs?
Ay na. Yung mga yung mga nabigyan ng ticket. Tapos nanood.
Hindi ko alam kung, tingin ko nanood nga siya. Tapos ganun yung comment. Gusto ko sabihin, sir, mukhang hindi kayo nanonood masyado ng ng UAP this season.
Maruntok.
Ng maruntok. Wala tayong mapapalit na coaching staff na mas magaling dyan. Wala. Wala. Sino pinakamagaling ngayon? Baka yung nasa Ateneo pero talo sila. Tayo na yung second best dun. Or baka mas magaling na tayo. So, eto na yun. Okay. Hindi yung coaches yung problema. Hindi yung coaching staff yung problema. Hindi yun.
Okay, sige. Siguro nga may mga ganyan nag-iisip ngayon watching us right now on this episode. Baka yun iniisip nila, di ba? So, ang payo lang namin sa inyo, manood kayo ng ayos. Kung yun ang iniisip nyo, kung tingin nyo kailangan palitan ng coach,
Hindi. I mean, sinasabi nila, hindi kasi mas tayo na ano sila, na out-coach sila ni Topex. Okay. Pero, nangyayari naman talaga yun eh. I mean, baka na-outcoach sila dun sa fourth quarter, which is crucial.
Yes.
Pero, I mean, isang game lang yun eh. Hindi naman to the rest of the season na the other teams na nilaro natin, di ba, na na-outcoach tayo. Hindi naman eh. Isa lang yan. Tapos, next year, babawian natin yan.
Yep. Ano pa ba? Ano ang mga Mahirap. Mahirap. Pero alam niyo na, okay, sige, to address yung ganyang type of mindset. Guys, what we have right now, mga sir, mga ma'am, mga tito, mga tita, kung tingin nyo, failure tong season, failure naman talaga kasi hindi tayo champion. But kung if you're thinking na failure itong program na to, you gotta think again.
Nope.
I mean, look how far we have come again in how many years. Look how nice it is to watch our basketball. I mean, yun nangyari naman dun sa final half ng fourth quarter ng game 3 is to cause us a season is okay, yeah, because if it were any other game, okay lang yun. Na-magnify lang siya kasi nga finals game 3 siya. But kasi nga, kaya ako nasabi na uncharacteristic yung mangyari yun kasi hindi ganun yung players natin in general. Hindi sila ganun maglaro, hindi sila ganun magkakamali. But overall, okay pa rin tayo. Itong core natin, itong mga utak natin sa programa, at least for men's basketball. Kasi ito lang naman yung may alam tayo. Okay pa rin yan. I mean, we were number 1 pretty much the whole season for season 86. We were dominating teams left and right. So, yung proseso na yun, kumbaga, we're still in the right process. We're still in the right track. We're still in the right track towards success. So, yung mga ganyang concerns na nare-raise, bakit pinasok ganito sa lineup, bakit ayaw palaruin lalo si Inyan, bakit puro si pinapasok, ganyan. I mean, try nyo kaya mag-coach, mga putang ina. Try nyo mag-basketball. Yan yung mga typical na hindi marunong yung for example, yung kay Jerry na steal nung endgame. Yung, di ba na-steal pa niya sa bitawan. Sure ako, ang daming nag-comment doon sa ganap na yun. Pero kung isipin nyo, ang hirap ng ginawa ni Jerry niyan. Ma-steal niya. Siguro nagdalawang isip siya na ipapasa ba niya or hawakan na lang ba niya or what, or i-bounce off kay Kambao niya. Tayo as spectators, akala natin madali lang siyang gawin. I mean, akala natin hindi siya basta, akala natin simpleng nangyari lang yan. Nagkamali siya. Pero hindi, ang hirap gawin nun on that occasion, on that level of play. So, sa atin, wala tayong magagawa doon. Nagkamali lang si Jerry. On his end, buti nga nakupa niya yung bola eh. But, wala.
Oh,
Alam mo yun, yung mga ganyan klase.
buti nga nakuha niya yung bola. Kasi, kaya naman niya pinasa yun kasi ma-out of bounds na siya eh. Yun yung momentum niya,
Yes.
pupunta siya out of bounds. So, kailangan niya ipasa talaga. Eh, syempre, kung ang dami niya iniisip at that time, may defender siya, babagsak siya out of bounds, ilang seconds na lang, kailangan nila makashoot. Pinasa niya. Eh, wala. Inaccurate yung pasa kasi, yun nga, dahil sa dami ng tumatakbo sa isip niya at that time, dami niya pinoprocess na information sabay-sabay. Syempre, hindi niya mapapasa pinpoint kay CJ yun. Buti nga napasa pa niya eh. Diba? Isa pang, alam mo,
Pero
isa
yung
pang, ano yan?
Yung kay Malik, mali talaga siya doon.
Oh, mali yun.
yun, mali talaga siya doon.
Mali talaga yun. Ano talaga yun? Brain fart talaga yun. Pero,
Go, ano siya mo?
yung isa pang napansin ko nung game, lamang ang Lasal lang 3 points with, medyo mahaba pa yung oras eh. Tapos, iba players sa Lasal nag-aayakapan na, umiiyak na.
Oo, yan. Oo, actually.
Yung crowd ng Lasal nagsiselebrate na. Like, siraulo ba kayo? 3 points lang yan. Isang basket lang yan. Pwede pa kayong malamangan dyan. Pwede pa mag-overtime to. Siraulo ba kayo?
Yeah.
Umiiyak pa tong si Ben Phillips. Hindi ka nga masyado naglaro. Hindi ka nga masyado naglaro. Iiyak-iyak ka pa dyan. Tapos pwede pa kayo matalo. Sakto. Nung nangyari yun, nangyari yung steal ni Jerry. Tapos, muntik, di ba? Isipin mo kung nakuha ni CJ yun, possession ng UP. Hindi natin alam kung ano pang mangyayari dun eh. Pwede pang naka 3 points pa talaga sila. Pwedeng end 1. Di ba? Dami pang pwede mangyayari tapos nagsiselebrate na yung Lasal. Parang, yun ang, hindi ko alam kung anong iniisip talaga nila. Kasi, kung baliktad yun nangyari, I mean, kung nakashoot yung UP, kaya yung tres ni Harold sumut, tapos tie, tayo na. Magmumukha kayong meme. Di ba? Dami yung memes na nilalabas. Iiyak din kayo.
Iyak. Pero baliktad. May steal pa si CJ na una eh, di ba? May steal pa na si CJ. So, kumbaga, hindi pa sila dapat yung pante nung hanggang dulo. Kasi buti na nga lang for them. Nabobo tayo. So, hindi dumating yung tying basket or what. Pero nakita ko ngayon. Sayang nga, hindi tayo nakashoot. Kasi kung dumating yun, wala, iyak sila.
Diba? OT.
OT or wala.
Anyway. That's that.
Yun na yun. Madami pa rin tayo may isip from time to time. In, siguro what, span of 2 weeks to a month. Siguro naman by the end of December, nakamove na tayo. Sana, no? So, I mean, there's no point in not moving on yet kapag umabot ka ng January. Buti na nga lang New Year. Malapit na tayo sa New Year. So, from then on, guys, huwag na naman siguro niyo patagalin yung misery nyo. Buti na nga lang papasko. Pwedeng mag-celebrate ng ibang bagay maliban dito. So, and I'm sure siguro first week, second week January, it's probably back to the drawing board already for our team, our players, our coaches, as a team. Pero siguro, feeling ko may break sila or what, till hanggang Pasko. And siguro po mag-workout sila, mga individual skill work lang siguro. But come January onwards, it's a whole new ball game. Ika nga ni Kobe, pre-season starts now. So, there's no point in... Siguro, I think may event pa na to thank everyone for the season. Antay tayo sa details niyan. And Yeah, punta tayo dun. Kasi ito na natin makita si CJ, si Malik with the team. I'm sure the team will appreciate it as well na may fans pa rin dyan kahit hindi natin nakuha yung championship. So kapag na lumabas yung details dun, hopefully mapunta tayo. And yun nga, we'll see what happens on season 87. The preparation starts as early as next month, I would say.
Mhm.
And may Pinoy Liga pa pala. May Pinoy Liga pa. So pwede pa tayo manood nun. Aside from that, yung second sem sports naman, so much to watch, man. Volleyball, football, baseball, softball. Daming pwedeng panoorin sa UP. Just as like last season. Kaya kung free kayo, tambay kayo sa UP. Some games are there. Lalo sa football, baseball. Yeah, hindi pa tapos ang UAP season 86. Tapos lang ang basketball and juniors din pala. Juniors din.
Oo nga pala.
Ongoing pa na ng season. So, yun, may basketball pa tayong papanood.
Teka
Yeah,
lang.
on my end.
Pause ko lang yung recording, may tatanong lang ako. Tapos, dahil malapit na magpasko, meron kaming announcement. Magre-release na rin tayo ng maruntok na shirt or shirts. Ha? Di ba? Ang dami nang mag-iintay nun eh. Ang dami nang gusto ng merch. So, mangyayari na yan. Hintayin nyo lang. Soon, magre-release kami ng teaser. Yeah, maganda yung shirt. Basta maganda yung shirt. Nakita namin yung design. Tapos, saya. Ganda nung itsura.
Baka hindi, maganda. Abangan nyo. Siguro andun to. Kasi yung mga may ko-comment din na kung meron ba tayo merch nga na binibenta. And finally, ito na yun, guys. So, abangan nyo. May sample lang ni Zoe. Hopefully, magustuhan nyo. Okay? Sige, to wrap up season 86 men's basketball on my end, ang masasabi ko lang is thank you to Malik and CJ. And the rest of the team, you're still making us believe. It's a very, paano ba i-describe it? It's very masarap mag-cheer para sa UP, especially if this is a type of effort the coaching staff and players give out, game in and game out. Alam natin yung disiplina na ini-instill ni Coach Gould on this team. And that's why we go all out as well in terms of cheering for the team. So hindi biro yung ginagawa nila every single day. Yung bakbakan nila every single practice. Yung pagpalitan nila ng muka every game. Going all out for the school. So hopefully at least tayo man lang sa UP community ma-realize yun and not think otherwise from our team, our players. Kasi they don't deserve that at all. Itong team na to is special, itong coaching staff na to is special. Kaya let's cherish this generation of UP Fighting Maroons. Kasi ito yung hinihingi natin. Namin, at least kami ni Enzo, na type of effort, type of discipline in terms of from a basketball team. Kaya wala kami masabi in terms of how this team is creating the process on their end. Wala. We win or not, we lose, we win or we don't win the championship, we are proud of what is happening in this team. The process of playing the right way is more important than the results itself. So we are proud now we are on the right track and we are so excited of what is to come in the coming seasons with this type of program. Yun lang po. Maraming salamat for season 86. We may have not won the gold, but definitely we're here to stay
Yes.
in the coming season. So, close this out.
Like I said, previous episodes, this has been one of the best seasons from start to finish. Not just for UP, but for all other schools. Except siguro sa Ateneo. Kasi, alam nyo naman, di ba?
Oo nga.
Pero totoo, as kung outsider ka, nanonood ka lang UAAP, maganda talaga yung season. Maraming contenders na legit na contenders talaga. UP syempre, Lasal, sa NU, parang kahit sino dun kayang mag-champion realistically. Pero in the end, syempre Lasal lang ang nanalo. Kasi isa lang naman pwede manalo, di ba? Pero, for UP, hindi man tayo nagwagi this season. Yun nga, nawala lang sa atin si CJ. Thank you, CJ. And Malik. Thank you, Malik. Dalawa lang sila out of 16. So, lahat na magagaling natin players, nandyan pa. Nandyan pa si Harold. Nandyan pa si Jerry. Babalik pa si Terence. Hopefully, plays more games, more playing time. Ang dami pa. Si JD, nandyan pa. Nandyan pa yung si Janjan. Nandyan pa si Rayland. Lahat ng players who we relied on this season, babalik pa sila next season. Hopefully, yun nga, again, assuming walang lilipat, walang magpo-pro, walang ganyan, walang injury. So we're in good hands. Walang adjustment masyadong mangyayari except yung mga, kung mag-incorporate sila ng rookies next season. I'm sure meron yan. Pero, hindi kasing dami ng in-incorporate natin this year. So, I expect it to be smoother na simula next season. And hopefully better results. Of course, every other team mag-i-improve din yan. Pero nandun na tayo sa taas So, mas madaling i-maintain yun kasi yung iba naghahabol. Tayo yung hinahabol pa rin. Siyempre Lasal kasi defending champ sila. Pero, yeah, we're in a good position. Dati tayo yung laging looking up, di ba? Ngayon tayo yung tinitingala. So, yeah, we're in good hands from the players to the coaching staff to team management. Everyone is, it seems naman, di ba? Everyone's on the same page. So, yeah, I foresee more success in the future. I foresee more finals appearances. Kung magiging runner-up ba ulit tayo for the third straight year? Sana hindi naman. Host tayo next year. So, sana sa MOA tayo mag-finals. Sana tayo mag-finals. Yun muna pala. Sana tayo mag-finals. Sana sa MOA maganap. Kasi mas tayo dun Mas gamay natin yung lugar na yun di ba? So, yun lang. That's season 86 men's basketball for us. Tapos na siya. Let's look forward to Christmas. Yun muna.
Yan. Pahinga muna tayo lahat. Pahinga muna tayo lahat. Wala masama dun. And thank you again, the sixth man. Fighting Maroon sixth man. You guys showed up this season. And we're proud of that. So, see you guys next time. We'll see what happens with Maroon Talk in the coming months. Hopefully we get to guest some people here. So, again, as always, everyone, walang bibitaw, and as always, UP fight.
Yes, sir. UP fight.
Kita tayo next time.
Abang lang kayo sa merch natin. Lalabas din tayo niyan.
Okay. See you guys. Thank you, Zoe.
Thank you.
See you guys.
Salamat.
Okay. Salamat. See you guys.